Hi guys, it's Adam here from Peddling Pizza. I'm back here in the Gozney kitchen. I got a real party pleaser for you. We're going to bake an entire Camembert in Roccbox and we're going to serve it up with some nice herby, cheesy pizza sticks. It's going to be amazing. Okay, first things first, I'm baking the Camembert. Keep hold of the lid. We're going to need this bit because we're going to wrap it in tin foil. That's going to create like your baking tray for the actual cheese. Make sure you wrap it under. You need to create like a nice surface because otherwise there's a lot of heat in that Roccbox coming up through the stone and you don't want it to like burn the cardboard or the wood. Now you need to just unwrap your cheese and place it in the little baking tray. You need to get a knife because we're going to add some flavour. So just cut some little holes in the top like that. And what we've got, we're going to get some herbage in there. So you're going to use some rosemary, that's what I'm using, you can use whatever you like. Just going to stuff some in these little gaps. We've got some little bits of garlic, some cut garlic, a little bit of olive oil. You're going to need to wrap it up. So what you want to do is you want to grab a sheet of tin foil and make like a little parcel. Okay, cool, so that's all wrapped up. Now it's ready for Roccbox. You're going to want to put it in there for about 6 to 8 minutes on like a medium flame, bang in the middle. Whilst it's in there, what you're going to need to turn it every now and again. So you're going to need to get yourself some tongs and a Roccbox peel. Okay guys, so the cheese has been in the oven for about 8 minutes now. Oven's been on at about 430, 440, middle of the red. Just going to take it out now. There we go. We're just going to leave that to one side while we assemble some pizza bases. Okay guys, so we're going to assemble some herby, cheesy dippers that are going to go alongside our Camembert. So we're going to need some flour. So this dough's been fermenting now for about 24 hours. It's my standard dough. Just follow the links in the description below this one. So we've got our dough here, all opened up. Right, we're going to hit this with a bit of flavour. I'm going to go in with some oil. It's just extra virgin olive oil, oregano, some parmesan. Go quite healthy on the parmesan because you want this to be quite cheesy. Right, we're good to go. Get our pizza peel. I'm going to slide it onto a clean peel. Full flame. Okay, so I'm just spinning it in the Roccbox now, just finishing it off, getting it nice and crispy and delicious. Checking the base is done. Okay, so we've got our pizza cutter. We're going to cut this up however you like, triangles, sticks, whatever. I'm going to do it in like fingers. So we're going to open this cheesy deliciousness up. You're ready to serve. Oh my God. Okay, so today we've baked an entire Camembert in Roccbox. We've utilised that super dry, intense heat in there to turn it into a melty loveliness in just 8 minutes. We've paired that up with an amazing, just cheesy herby bread that you can dip in it and just enjoy it. It's amazing. Try it yourself, it's really easy.